Hi everyone, welcome to another 12 Days of Christmas 2018 with Limepixel. So Limepixel creates websites for business, community groups and charities, and we're based in the Worthing area. I'm delighted to have Jim with me today from World Music Workshops. Set up is slightly different to our other videos. We've got some musical instruments here which we'll show you later on. So our connection is that I think I first met you, must be about 3 years ago or something like that now. And I joined Steel Band.
Yep.
Where I play, or try and play, double guitars. And we've kind of got a real nice tight-knit group now of band
you were one of the
players.
first in that group. And
Yes.
you stayed the whole time when there were a lot of changes.
Yeah,
And
there's been
now
a few changes.
we've got a great group now.
Yeah, we have. And we do gigs and Christmas events and all sorts of things. So, but over to you, Jim. Do say why you're here and why you're promoting your business.
Well, thanks for giving me the chance to come in and talk about what I do. I'm from Worthing, and I left for a while in my 20s to explore other things, mostly being a musician really. You know, I was touring as a musician and as a drummer, and then I lived in the northwest for a while. But I've been back in Worthing about 18 years, and I spend my time work-wise doing music workshops. So going to schools, businesses, fetes, festivals, all kinds of things. Work with cub groups, scout groups, guides, special needs, anything where music can be enjoyed and appreciated and valued in these sort of educational ways, and also for entertainment. So I spend a lot of time going to schools during the week, and I do music for all around the world, hence World Music Workshops.
Yeah. .co.uk.
And so I might go to a school and do a day of world music, which might involve Chinese drumming or African drumming or Caribbean steel pans, samba from Brazil, lots of different things. I have a lot of different workshops that I've devised that I can offer, and that goes down really well in the schools because they've got a lot of multicultural angles that they teach. So that keeps me busy, and then as well as that, I've got the steel band, which is a real passion of mine. I've built up a lot of steel pans, hence we've got a great community group now, and we do a lot of gigs, and that's a fantastic local thing that I'm just really passionate about, and that's that
it's just such a happy sound, isn't it? Because we try and go to the Caribbean quite a bit, and that's where I kind of felt the vibe of the steel drums, and that's why it sort of inspired me really to kind of seek you out and get involved and learn it myself, because it just makes you puts a smile on your face when you hear the music and you kind of take yourself away from those daily stresses. You focus on playing and enjoying the sound and having a really good time and learning a new skill, which I'm not particularly musical, I don't think, but I've just loved it and embraced it, and it's just been like real passion now to get involved and look forward to it.
You're good though, and the thing is, the band plays really well, and we've done gigs that we like at the for the Worthing 10K, and your runners are running past you all the time. You play for them, and they love it. They clap and cheer and dance as they come
they
past.
acknowledge you, don't they? As well, while they're running past, they give us a clap and a wave, and it's really, really nice.
Or at our Caribbean nights as well.
Yeah, they're a huge success, aren't they? The Caribbean
dance floor.
Yes,
Always.
that's what it's all about.
Great food, great music.
So give us a flavour then of steel drums.
Well, seeing as it's nearly Christmas, I'll play something festive.
Yeah. The Christmas vibe, doesn't it? Tell us about your highlight of 2018.
Well, it's been a really good year from a work point of view. I'd say definitely the highlight though was back in March. Well, it was sort of twofold, but March and then July. So in March, we had some visitors, which you were involved with, some children who came over from South Africa, who have tough lives in South Africa, and they live in townships. They're brought together by an amazing lady down there called Joan Lithgow, who runs marimba bands, and marimba is like a giant xylophone. So these kids came over and played these incredible marimbas.
They were fantastic, weren't they?
Yeah, and then we put on a night for them, and they all stayed in my house, slept on my lounge floor, 12 African children, 2 teachers. It was like a big dormitory, and we put on a great night for them. They did some workshops in the days, and we made friends for life. And then we also, with the steel band, we learned 3 tunes.
Yeah, we did.
Played together at the end of the night.
Yeah.
And that whole project was just amazing. And not only that, but we raised a lot of money for their charity, Education Africa, which was fantastic. And then later in the year, in July, following on from that, I went down to their big marimba festival in South Africa, and I took part in that. I was sort of an adjudicator and got a sense of what it's like down there, to be immersed in all these young people playing marimbas. It was mind-blowing.
Yeah.
And as a result of that, I brought some marimbas back to this country to start a marimba project through my company, but locally, hopefully.
Yeah, fantastic. So how can people get in touch with you? They want to find out more about marimbas or about steel drums. How can they reach you?
I'd say 2 ways. Definitely, if you liked what you heard there and you like the sound of the steel band, then just check out our Facebook page, Worthing Steel Band, on Facebook. And Blue Steel, which is the part of Worthing Steel Band that you're in, also has a Facebook page. And then for my work itself, the workshops, it's worldmusicworkshops.co.uk.
Excellent.
My phone number's on there as well as email addresses.
There's all email, phone and social media on there as well. It's
there is.
Excellent, thank you. Thank you so much
it's
for
great.
featuring today. It's just lovely, it's a highlight, and I just love the sound. So thanks everyone, see you soon. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.